Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to clear browsing data from the Opera browser. So first we have to open the Opera browser. And then we choose Settings. And then we scroll down and then we choose Clear Browsing Data. We can choose for basic or we can choose for advanced, and we can choose for last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or for all time. Choose the one you want and then tick all the boxes you want, but remember that if you tick for passwords, then you will not be able to sign in if you have forgotten your password. And then choose Clear Data. The browsing data is now cleared. In this video we have learned how to clear the browsing data in the Opera browser. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.